Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Steve, and yes, I have not recorded a video in quite some time, but I'm in the studio. I have a watch on my lap that I have been waiting for since January of 2023. January of 2023, and it is in my hand right now. Here it is. I am so excited to unbox this. So this video is going to be an unboxing and a first impression of both the watch and a strap that I bought for this watch. I think that strap watch combo is going to fit perfectly. I haven't even fixed my hair. I haven't changed at all. I just rushed over to the studio and decided to film this. So I am so excited to get this watch unboxed. But before we do that, please hit that like and subscribe button down below. It really does help the channel. All right, let's roll the intro and then we can get started with the unboxing. All right, now that we switched perspective, let's go ahead and get this watch in frame. And here it is. Now, this watch is from Christopher Ward. I've never bought a watch from Christopher Ward, so I'm excited to see how they package everything and what even the box looks like, because I've never even opened a Christopher Ward before. So here we go. Ooh, okay. So we have a Christopher Ward box inside a box. The not so painful bit. What's in here? Let's see. Okay, we have an invoice and order details, things like that. Let's go ahead and put that to the side. We don't want to lose that. And let's see what's in this card here. On this envelope, I mean. Ah, okay. So here are the links. I had them size the watch to my wrist, which is 7.5 inches for those of you who are wondering. Let's go ahead and put that to the side. Is there anything else in here? No. Okay, so we have an outer sleeve that says Christopher Ward. Nice wood box in there. Let's go ahead and push this out this way. I'm so excited. And I'm glad they switched to not switch, but I like how the Christopher Ward made this their primary logo. I know before it had the word Christopher Ward, did not like that. I hated it on their watches. That's why I never bought one of their watches, because I didn't like how the Christopher Ward was laid out on the dials. But this dual flag logo, I'm liking this a lot. Okay, so here we go. I'm going to slide. Oh, I already saw the bracelet. I saw the bracelet. All right, I'm sliding it open. Ooh. That feels really good. It's actually like a nice quality box. Boom. Boom. Bel Canto. So here we go. We have this Christopher Ward 60/60 guarantee with a little card here. Let's go ahead and peel that up. Okay, all it has is the SKU, the model number and serial number, and the date of purchase. So we're going to put that to the side. And here we go. This is a Bel Canto manual on how to set the watch, everything like that. So interesting. Okay. Drop that booklet on accident. Yes. Yes. Let's see what else is in this. Okay, we have a cloth and some stickers. Nice. Okay, let's put that to the side. Oh my goodness gracious. Look at this thing. First, actually this might be my second titanium watch that I've ever owned. The other one was a Victorinox, and I always forget how light titanium is. Wow. Check that out. I have these lights set up in my office, so it is reflecting quite a bit of light on the screen here, but in person, it just looks so crystal clear. I was not expecting this. This is absolutely beautiful. Now, I've seen the blue, I've seen the green in videos. I've never seen the black in videos. And I think this is my favorite colorway. Now, I like black watches in general, but man, I think this actually works very well in terms of contrast between the dial and all of the bridges and the spring and the bell mechanism. It's great. It is great. Let me go ahead and weigh this out here. Okay, set to grams, and let's see. 105 grams. That is ridiculously light. I mean, if you think about it, a G-Shock 5600 is 50-ish grams. So 2 G-Shocks, not bad. Let me go ahead and get some dimensions here. I have a 41.7 millimeter on the diameter, a thickness of about 13.1 millimeters, lug to lug of 48.2 millimeters, and a lug width of 22 millimeters. Now this is sized to my 7.5-inch wrist, so if you have a smaller wrist, obviously it's going to weigh less. They already took the links out of this, which is great. Let's go ahead and wind it up. The winding feels good. Let's make sure that the bell is activated, which it is, and let's go ahead and pull it. Oh, let's go ahead and listen to it again because it was right there on the hour mark. That is perfect. That's exactly what I was looking for. You know, you could feel a slight vibration in your wrist whenever it dings. Just a very slight vibration. Oh my God, that is a beautiful tone. So we have a signed crown right there. The pusher is not signed. The case back is that sound wave pattern. And this actually does come with a micro adjust on the bracelet. So what you have to do is, it's kind of hard to see on camera, but what we do is push this knob forward and the bracelet actually moves in half link. Then you can pull it out when necessary. So that's pretty nice. Yeah, it's just weird feeling how light it is. Let's go ahead and put it on the wrist. Oh my God. Oh my God. This is gorgeous. Look at that. Wow. Wow. I love this thing. Let me show you the strap I have for it. It is from a company, Chicago company, so about an hour away, called Veblenist, which I think it's going to look really well. You know, little card comes in this little pouch here. Let me know if my tastes are off, but I think it's going to work beautifully. So we have an alligator strap, a matte alligator strap. It's relatively thin, about 2.5 millimeters thin. I got the curved end links. I don't know if you can see that. Let me get this out of the way. I have curved end links and quick release spring bars on mine. And then it tapers down to, let's see what it is at the buckle here, 18. So 22 to 18 on this strap. It's pretty supple. There is no padding, so it's very thin, which I like. And I think that is going to look great on this watch. Let me go ahead and actually put it on. And here is the Bel Canto with the Veblenist matte alligator strap. And I know it's kind of a weird combo, but this is going to be my dress watch. And I know it's a little bit of a larger watch, so it wouldn't traditionally be a dress watch, but I think for my wrist size, it's going to work just fine. But let me go ahead and put it on my wrist. I'm sorry, I am grinning from ear to ear right now, just looking down at my wrist. This is the feeling that you should get every single time you buy a watch, because the feeling I have right now, I finally have it after waiting 16 months to get this watch. And it was, pushed back a couple of different times. And I finally have it on my wrist, and I'm looking down at it, and I am just so happy with this purchase. This watch is not going to leave my collection. I've shifted my collecting focus to having more pieces that I'm going to keep for a lifetime. And looking at this watch on my wrist, I made the correct purchase. And with this strap, yeah, it definitely works. It definitely works. All right, let's go ahead and flip that camera, and I'll give you guys my closing thoughts. So here it is, the Christopher Ward Bel Canto Nero. Man, this is the face I was talking about. This grin, it's just so good. It is just so good on my wrist. I am so excited that it's finally in. It's finally on my wrist, and I can now wear it. Oh my God. It's been since January of 23, and now it's here. And now it's here on my wrist. I know I've said this already in the video, but this is how you should feel right here, deep inside. Maybe not deep inside, but right here. When you buy a watch, you should feel some sort of joy, and you should be able to smile as big as you can when you get that watch on your wrist. A lot of times we buy watches and we think it's great, and we get it and we put it on, and a week later, it's just another watch in your watch box. And then you flip it. I'm not at that point in my watch collecting anymore. I've come around to where I only want to buy watches that are going to last and are going to be in my collection for a long, long time, if not the rest of my life. Will there be watches that I, eventually sell off? Yes, 100%. And I'm going to make a video about that later on, about how to build a watch collection. But for right now, I am just going to enjoy the Bel Canto on my wrist. All right, guys, that's the video. If you like this video, please hit that like button down below and the subscribe button for more videos just like this. And if you want to see another video, please click right here. It's, I don't know. Let's just put up my Omega Seamaster 2-year retrospective, 3-year retrospective. I don't know how long it's been. 2-3 years. Go ahead. Click it right here, and you'll see another favorite watch in my collection. So, right there. Right here. Click it. Click it. Right there. Click it.